how to turn off or on buying notifications on Squarespace, easy and quick. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First open your browser and then click on your profile here in the top corner. Now once you're here, you will find here this one, notifications. Click on it and then here we'll find notifications, then scroll down and here we'll find it. Here is it. Now if you want to turn it off, just if you want to apply it on all existing sites, you can turn this one on and then click apply, and you can turn it on again if you want. And that's it. Now just close and it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.